Um, for this speech, I will be speaking of the negative effects of animal testing, whether it's drugs or medicines or cosmetics or just a better understanding of the animal. My audience will be companies who have a product that have recently tested on animals in the past or now. Many animals are killed each year in the US alone for biology lessons, medical training, and testing for new drugs or cosmetics. More than 100 million animals, to be exact. These animals include mice, rats, fish, small dogs or small cats, and most of the time these tests are proven safe for the animals, but when tested on humans, they prove negative, and they have negative effects due to the dangerousness of the drug. 92% of the time this happens, which means 92% of the time these tests fail, and basically animals are killed and suffer for no reason at all due to the fact that these tests were useless. One major reason the US should ban the testing of the cosmetics is because major cosmetic markets such as Israel and India have already banned the testing of animals. And this just goes to show that if major companies in these countries can ban these tests, but can still put out these cosmetics, and these cosmetics are still being able to be proven safe, this just goes to show that we can do the same, but we are choosing not to. When testing potential causes for cancer, animals are given a drug each day for 2 years. In certain cases, tests may result in killing pregnant animals just to test their fetuses. Most of the time, this is very horrific, and the companies do not care for the animals and how they feel, how much pain they're in. So they're not given any kind of pain relief, but are killed every day, and they are suffering every day. Now, there are obviously many reasons this needs to stop, but the question is, how can it stop? Well, recently there's been an alternative to animal testing. It is called organ on chips, created by the Harvard's Wyss Institute. These can be used, and they also prove more efficient, more reliable, and less time consuming as animal testing, and obviously less cruel. Basically, they're basically little chips that have cells on them, that human cells from a human that has passed away, that has donated their body to science, and they take the cells from their organs, and they put them on the chip, and they put the drug or cosmetic that they're testing on this cell. Sometimes it's a skin cell in certain cases for cosmetics. They inject the drug or cosmetic into this cell, and if it is proven safe, then this drug or cosmetic can go to the market. It can be on market. Basically, to end the suffering for the animals, and to continue testing for safeness, major US companies should take into consideration the organ on chips that has been created in order to be in order to test more efficiently, more reliably, and to get their product out in the market sooner.